So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cat eye eyeliner because my friend Erin asked for it, and I'm going to have a picture of her at the end of this so you can see who she is and you can follow her on Instagram. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do it with, I don't have I had like gel liner, but I don't have gel liner anymore, so I'm going to be using Sunglasses by LA Colors. It comes in like a what is it called? An eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow stick, but I depowdered it and I put it in a little container, and it's very, very dark. This is just an elf pin. You don't have to do anything fancy. It's really easy, really cheap. And I'm gonna show you with a pencil and with a liquid eyeliner. And yeah, so let's get started. It comes in a stick, and I'll have a picture of it. And it's like $1. It's like Elf, it's $1, but it's really good. Really good. I didn't even know it was this good. But yeah. So I hope you guys learned something and that I wasn't just like entertaining you guys for... I mean, if I was entertaining you guys then. But I really hope you guys learned something and took something out of this, because I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to learn makeup. I mean, if you don't know makeup, then I'll teach you something. But I learned too. You guys learn, I learn. It works like that. But yeah. So Aaron asked for this, and I did it. If you guys have any requests on anything you want to see, ooh, look at my eye. Look at my eye. Look at my eye. Oh shit. Ding. If you guys have any requests, just let me know. You can ask me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever you guys are comfortable with. You can even leave it down below anonymously. I don't care. I will do it. I'll get around to doing it. And yeah, so I'm probably going to edit, upload this, eat some ice cream, and then do my makeup just because I have nothing to do and I play with makeup. Especially now that I got this for Christmas. And if you guys want to know what I got for Christmas, just let me know and I will do a what I got for Christmas haul. But I will tell you guys now that I enjoyed a lot one of the things that I got. So it's no longer alive, but it's not an animal. It was candy. But yeah, so just let me know and I will do it or I won't do it or whatever. It doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm gonna go play with this. So bye. Why the fuck does this burn so much? It looks like I got beat up from wiping my eyes so much. I'm in pain. Can you hear that? Sounds funny. Okay, bye.